In this video, we will show you several applications on how to use Smart Horizontal Mode on the Leica DISTO D2G to measure indirect distances accurately with the built-in inclination sensor. Turn on your DISTO D2G and press the Func button 4 times to select Smart Horizontal Mode. Fold out the end piece and place the device securely against the wall to ensure accurate measurements from the correct reference point. Aim the laser at a point on the opposite wall, positioning it above the obstacles. Now press the On Dist button. After the measurement, 4 values will appear: the corrected horizontal distance between 2 points, the height difference between the device and the target point, the angle between the device and the target point, and the direct or slope distance. The Smart Horizontal Mode ensures accurate horizontal measurements by correcting inclinations.
This is crucial for precise or long-distance tasks where slight inclinations can lead to errors.
When measuring, always unfold the end piece to set the correct measuring reference. You'll get the corrected distance perfectly horizontal and with guaranteed accuracy. The Leica DISTO D2G and D2 excel in long indoor measurements, with the D2 offering a 150-meter range and the D2G's green laser ideal for bright environments, providing up to 120 meters. Another application of Smart Horizontal Mode would be for measuring stairs. With a single measurement, you get all the essential information for designing and building: horizontal distance, vertical distance, and angle. The Smart Horizontal Mode is available with the DISTO D2, D2G, D5, X3, and X6.